5 Secrets of Successful Affiliate Marketers. Being successful as an affiliate marketer can lead you to making a huge amount of money from the comfort of your home. It means that you'll be selling products that other people created, which in turn means there is no time investment for you to spend developing a product and there is no risk. But if affiliate marketing were that easy, everyone would be doing it. Affiliate marketing can in fact be easy or hard, depending on how you approach it. So here are the secrets of those most successful affiliate marketers. You know the ones that stand in front of their private jets and sell you their ebooks for thousands of dollars. 1. Pick the right products. The first and most important tip is to ensure that you pick the right products. A good product is one that is well made and offers good value, but also one that has a great value proposition. That is to say, that it speaks to an emotional hook of some sort. How does this product make people's lives genuinely better? Will this product get people excited? Does it trigger an emotional response? 2. Build your own audience. Building your audience is the other crucial step. Your job is to connect the right audience with the right products, and so your success will hinge on your ability to get people to listen to you. 3. Use a diverse range of products. There is no requirement to focus on just a single product. Look for a variety of products, and you will build a business that is more resilient and that can cater to all kinds of customers. 4. Use powerful tools. As you gain more profit that you can invest back into your business, you should consider using more advanced marketing tools. An example of this is Trackonomics. This is a tool that will let you search for products from a massive variety of sellers and to compare the best deals for affiliates. 5. Work hard. Finally, work hard. Don't believe the claim that internet marketing and affiliate marketing are ways to get rich easily. You need to put the time in by building your audience and creating trust and engagement. Only then will you be able to make massive sales and help those product creators to reach the kind of success they can only dream of.